Number 1. 1977 Dodge four-wheel drive Powerwagon, $4,800, Lewisville, Texas. This 1977 Dodge Powerwagon is a classic four-wheel drive pickup equipped with a V8 engine and an automatic transmission. It starts easily, runs well, and rides on new tires. The odometer shows 78,000 miles, with a rollover noted, and the truck remains in fair, overall condition with a clean title. This Powerwagon is a solid restoration project and an affordable entry into vintage Dodge off-road trucks. Number 2. 1978 GMC C10 short bed, $8,000, Grygla, Minnesota. This 1978 GMC C10 short bed pickup is powered by a rebuilt 350 cubic inch V8 paired with a rebuilt automatic transmission. Numerous mechanical upgrades, suspension improvements, and interior updates make it a strong and reliable driver. Rear-wheel drive and a clean title further enhance its appeal. This truck successfully blends classic styling with dependable performance. Number 3. 1989 Toyota pickup Xtra cab, $7,500, San Marcos, California. This 1989 Toyota pickup Xtra cab is equipped with the legendary 22R four-cylinder engine and a 5-speed manual transmission. With 300,000 miles, it reflects Toyota's well-known long-term reliability. Rear-wheel drive, factory air conditioning, and a clean body make this a dependable and desirable classic compact truck. Number 4. 1968 Chevrolet C20, $7,500, Tucson, Arizona. This 1968 Chevrolet C20 is a rust-free Arizona truck powered by a 327 cubic inch V8 and a turbo 400 automatic transmission. An odometer rollover is noted, but the truck remains mechanically solid. A clean title and an included spare tailgate make this C20 a strong candidate for restoration or casual cruising. Number 5. 1989 Toyota pickup four-wheel drive, 22RE, $11,500, Fresno, California. This 1989 Toyota pickup four-wheel drive features the highly reliable 22RE engine and a manual transmission rebuilt in 2019. Finished in factory red, the truck has been carefully refreshed with new paint, interior work, and updated details. Despite high mileage, it remains in excellent condition and carries a clean title. Number 6. 1975 Chevrolet dually pickup, $15,000, NORCO, California. This 1975 Chevrolet dually pickup is a rare heavy-duty truck powered by a rebuilt 350 cubic inch V8 and an automatic transmission. It has been used reliably as a work and tow vehicle and remains in good overall condition with a clean title. While not fully restored, it is solid and ready for continued use. Number 7. 1986 GMC Sierra Classic C10, $16,000, Dallas, Texas. This 1986 GMC Sierra Classic C short bed is equipped with a modern 454 cubic inch crate engine and a 4-speed automatic transmission. With fewer than 3,500 miles on the build, it delivers strong performance. Minor transmission tuning may be required, but the truck remains rust-free and holds a clean title. Number 8. 1977 Jeep Honcho Levi Edition, $12,900, Grand Junction, Colorado. This 1977 Jeep Honcho Levi Edition is a collectible four-wheel drive pickup powered by a rebuilt AMC 360 cubic inch V8. It runs and drives well and includes a new exhaust system, all-terrain tires, and custom bumpers. Minor rust is noted, but the truck retains a clean title and strong classic Jeep character. Number 9. 1993 Ford F-150 four-wheel drive, $600, Peace Township, Minnesota. This 1993 Ford F-150 is a low-cost project truck. The inline six-cylinder engine runs well, and the four-wheel drive system is functional. The automatic transmission requires replacement. Despite cosmetic flaws, the solid frame, good tires, and clean title make it a strong budget-friendly project. Number 10. 1972 Ford F-250 Highboy, $19,500, Cashmere, Washington. This 1972 Ford F-250 Highboy is a highly desirable four-wheel drive pickup with strong originality. Powered by a 360 cubic inch V8 and a 4-speed manual transmission, it includes original purchase paperwork. Minor rust is present, but matching numbers and a clean title enhance its collector appeal. Number 11. 1959 GMC Fleet Side 100, $13,500, Monroe, Washington. This 1959 GMC Fleet Side 100 has remained in the same family since new. It is powered by a 270 cubic inch inline six-cylinder engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. The truck runs and drives well and shows low original mileage. With recent servicing and long-term indoor storage, it offers excellent preservation potential. Number 12. 1979 Dodge W150 Powerwagon, $16,500, Woodruff, Arizona. This 1979 Dodge W150 Powerwagon is a strong example of classic Mopar four-wheel drive design. It is powered by a 360 cubic inch V8 with an automatic transmission and features power steering and power brakes. Its excellent condition and careful ownership make it a standout classic truck. Number 13, 1970 GMC pickup, $12,500, Thermal, California. This 1970 GMC pickup features a professionally shortened bed and is powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 with an automatic transmission. It runs and drives well and has recently received new wheels and tires. While not original, it offers strong classic styling, a clean title, and an enjoyable driving experience.